no go stress, oh. So tonight I'm a guy to jump, See, I don't wanna talk about the things that go really, really make me down tonight. Say, I don't wanna talk about the things that go make me frown tonight. Say, I just wanna hold on to my corner with my lady, make she cool me down. Say, I just wanna hold on to my corner with my lady, make she cool me down. I'm a around the edges, baby, yes. Keep it happy and I do what make me happy. And nobody can deny me that I'm blessed. I'm at the rough around the edges, baby, yes. I keep it happy and I do what make me happy. And nobody can deny me that I'm blessed. I'm feeling blessed, oh. Say tonight I'm a guy. No go stress, oh. Ọmọ pupa jẹ́ ká gbé wájú, tó bá ti dárọ̀ jẹ́ ká ṣe wájú. Ọmọ lè mú máa ṣe lọ́mọ, tó bá ti ṣe náà máa gbé lọ́mọ.
Ladies and gentlemen, tighten your seatbelt as we take you on this smooth ride. Let's go! It's the morning drive on 103.5 Ebona DFM, keeping your morning engaging as we take you through the smoothest ride on radio.
From 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
Getting your morning inspired, be informed. Let's interact only on the morning drive.
Make it a date with Martin Efanshuku, aka Meta.
And Christy FEMNR, aka Classy.
From Monday to Friday, from 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
On the morning drive.
103.5 Ebona DFM. We are gonna make it. Win the prize and take it. We are gonna make it. Four corner. Go. We are five and a reach you be good. Them a fight and a fight you them in control. Them a relax. For a long time, we are five for your size of the bread. Them a scream and a dream and a wish to be dead. But I got that we dead. I don't just know. We are scream and a chill to the team. Them a plan out for bench and them roots of green. Like them want to clean. Well, imagine, we are trying to. Them a crying and a spy and a try stop we back. Get a hold of we back. Tell them so we bless. Tell them 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 so we still have life. We no bless. God light shine on we and no walk with spooks. But where your man want free, we no press. Bless up who down when we will go first. Tell them we no broke like God and we no this. Only follow me like peace and them a this. Oh, we still no clean and them a mess. Eventually they will see who's watching over me. Every child has chance of hope. We're flying high like the morning sun. God of this look can fit like glove. Till I say, when you're trying to reach to the goal, them a fight and a spite to them in control. Bless. Tell them we bless, tell them we bless, tell them we bless. Now see me spend my last for him first. Tell them me know if I own me invest. Make them go make our friend one put in. Tell them me still look fine. I'm still up to them fine. So you know see me pressure up on my first. Now how we go and hold our success. Now isn't everybody with interest. See you over me a fight in progress. Now follow them like the road of beaches. No matter where I'm on one half me careless. I guess me want you
digest so you have to go keep where digest said the thing corner cover that side. You have to go in and go patwa and so there will belly fake and but the entire thing is to tell you that we are blessed. We Nigerians who talk about today, we are blessed people. But God have we heard, God have our head. You have to go make sure no take very good care of us. How Day, we must give glory and praise to the King of Kings and Lord of Lords, the one who made it possible for us to see this beautiful day, the 26th day of February 2024. Papa Nakuya Chucho Impa Yotago Oblo Belefeno Toto is unfolding.
We bless them and we bless.
Yes. Flash, the one at the 103.5 FM.
Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Yes, I said that here Soliana many for any na southeast go till fingernails in Kabuto of Mount a very good day. Yamalona Azu Kejiata. Now Azu on a very good day. If go Azu to see Kolia once with fingernails or below believer, he can go okay, can take a fuck of Madame and can't be fit at Azua. Or go close at this morning. Up on no more what kind of metal.
Oh, we're classy.
Yes, we go this morning. I was a because I don't want to trade of 5 FM bit this splash on folding. Akụkọ oti kpọju yatago n'ụtụtụ afọ anyị nwegasị ndị ike anyị ga-celebrate ịma nke anyị na-esi ame fede on a very good day. So today, the 26th day of February 2024, I get celebrated as ndị ike na-celebrate today because no bụla obele efe. And you know how we do it. For you to become part of the celebration up in here, send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035 on a slow motion keta 08096661035. Celebrate anyone celebrating around you this morning. Kedifa Bifani celebrate, or Kedifa, we are here to anniversary, or wedding anniversary. Kedifa, we are here to celebrate with you. Get involved. Let's celebrate you this morning. Based on O2 this and keep as well. You have to go and I call a lot of people. Then all opportunities the online one must take advantage of. In as much as when some people not take advantage of those opportunities they see online to run away from Ogani. You have to go from Obara on a very good day. I have worked this several times. Neighbor born at the 103.5 FM. Normally the Italian Njafia. You have to go Njafia in the sense that we expand your reach, expand you have to go the amount of people now how can we do things like this on a very good day? I have an illustration, and the illustration is a book of mine at Amazon.com. Check it out. It is called Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by yours faithfully. That is how I want to illustrate that whatever is what you do as a business could get online, and the people will always, subscribe to what you are doing. So check it out. Yatagona will always, subscribe to what you are doing. So check it out. Yatagona Amazon.com. We'll get into the celebration properly right about it. I celebrate Golden Deacon they celebrate this morning. And the first person I get celebrated this morning will Recep Tayyip Erdogan, the 12th president of Turkey from 2014, born February 26, 1954. So we say happy birthday to him right about now. Happy birthday. Yes, it's unfolding. Or somebody now serve the public with all his heart. You will see that when that earthquake now Turkey, the way he swift into action and begin to save his people. So we celebrate him this morning. It is unfolding right about it. Today is also the birthday of Johnny Cash, American singer, songwriter, and actor, born February 26, 1932. So we celebrate him this morning. Happy birthday. Yes, it's unfolding Ketapo. The next person I actually celebrated this morning, Webolo, a musician, you know, to the core, excellent musician. Erykah Badu, American new soul singer, born February 26, 1971 in Dallas. We celebrated Bob Marley, and a lot of musicians were on stage to celebrate him. I'm talking about Erykah Badu, you know, Queen Latifah, you know, Busta Rhymes, a lot of them. Not to see on stage there and they celebrate, you know. But when this woman stepped up, you have to go with another, you know, veteran musician to sing the song "No Woman No Cry." So we celebrated this morning. She was born February 26, 1971. We say happy birthday. Happy birthday. It's unfolding Ketafo. Now, Max Martin, Swedish record producer and songwriter, born February 26, 1971, and we say happy birthday to him this morning. Happy birthday on a pound food. Wow. The next person I actually celebrated this morning, Webolo, a Norwegian Association football player and manager, a man with the Man United, you know, club back in the days. It was well with Batapale and that club. Some people now and after saying that this man needs to be a gunner. And we're talking about Ole Gunnar, you know, the club manager back in the days. So we celebrate him this morning. He was born February 26, 1973, and we say happy birthday to him. Happy birthday. It's unfolding Ketafo. Birthday, another Onye game back in the days, and we are talking about, you know, Togolese Association football player who goes by the name Emmanuel Adebayo. Yeah, some of the exports in other parts of the world, and I'm talking about Nigeria now, because now one for Nigeria on a very good day, but had to go to Togo then to, you know, also, you know, apply his trade there. So we celebrate him this morning. He was born February 26, 1984, and we say happy birthday to him right about now. Happy birthday. It's unfolding Ketafo. Yes, I know, but as a jacket for Kai celebrating Deacon celebrated this morning. I wanna, you know, at this life, you shouldn't pay attention to what people say so much. Here's of a funny, we have to go once in on the right track, just keep moving forward. I did understand the naka a woman where you have to go mellow Ojuwe Solunia where they for Dr. Yabo gynecologist on a very good day. Can doctor make inspection or say a doctor no or more get inspecting and you give feedback. Stay over there, can you give feedback, doctor? Yes, a lot is happening. But right about now, can I celebrate Golden Deacon celebrate today in Nigeria, as today is the birthday of the gospel musician who goes by the name Nosa. You have to go ahead. We say happy birthday to him. He was born February 26, 1981 in Edo State. So we say happy birthday. Happy birthday. So Foden Ketafo. Today Kalani, you know, is Nigerian filmmaker, born February 26, 1948 in Lagos State. So we say happy birthday to him. Happy birthday. Yes, I need to celebrate everybody because he can come on your name, you have to go or that one easy. And the next person actually celebrate get out, we have a writer. Madam, we can see common writer. We'll neck you go. Oh, yeah, but sometimes I'm waking up, do you have on your taco common if you are writing no myself for the Pakumba song. You waking up, just there, chap. We ask the book, your taco. Or they will to us, Chino best where they are on a very good day. So today we celebrate Lola Shoyin, born February 26, 1974 in Ibadan. So we say happy birthday to her. Happy birthday. It's unfolding Ketafo. Today is the birthday of the founder of the Nigerian People's Party. The founder of the new Nigerian People's Party goes by the name Waziri Ibrahim, a Nigerian businessman and a politician born February 26, 1926. So we say happy birthday to him. Happy birthday, Unfolding Ketafo. Happy birthday to you. But right about Fondua, you have to go. As we proceed to give you what you need, the satisfaction, guaranteed. It's time. Let's get ready to rumble. Yes, the word of God will say, ask and you shall receive, seek and you will find. You have to go for those who ask will receive. Because now our Father, you have to go the heavenly King of Kings and Lord of Lords, all of whom we are so much that when you need to ask or need or we only go get you ready. That's the thing. Not just sing with intention. I need if you do you have to go if I have you on a very good day. A lot of things to talk about in Kibaza. You have to go ahead because a lot that is going on around us. A lot of things around us. So manane ku ya bu oku ni na yota go ifukwa na nke ekwukwe ifukwa no organic cause at the end of the day na nke ikpeazụ a na ndị mmadụ jizi okpiri achịwala even ma their own father enwelu a particular man ihugo no oji okpiri na eche papia ka papia nata gratuity papia na But before we go any further, I will go do Nukumado. You have to go. I get celebrated right about Ketafo. You have to go on a celebrity today, and it goes by the name George Chukwu. Okay, and this is okay celebrating Oluchi Apali. So let's call her Ketafo Kainia Kalia before we go on with the stories I went for you this morning. You have to go ahead. So sit back, relax. You have to go because now I could put it for you. Hello. Network. Network. Or a card I get this morning. Anyway, let's see. Can I put 5 minutes about it at the end of the day? You see side you see the other side. Hello. Hello. Our and we'll see if we connect with her in a jiffy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday, happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Just another year, getting behind you are the best. I love you for the rest. Oh, oh,
Anyway, kind of talk I connect George Chukwuka Okoye si kai kpolia mo Oluchi Akwale this morning kai wish you happy birthday because na tata bu birthday. Yamana we'll see what we'll do about that. I na try kai connect with her in Egypt. But right about now we'll proceed. You have to go with the akuko ndai for you this morning. Go see her unfold right about Ketapo.
Years may go, but that won't change where we already know. The greatest in the heart to love will grow. And you're feeling good, have to tell me to hold your hand.
Hello.
Hello,
Yes, good morning.
good morning.
Yes, am I on to George Chukwuka Okoye?
No.
Okay. Thank you so much. Badalo, my brother. Utako Sade. Akoko Oti Boju, and now we proceed. You have to go to give you what you need, the satisfaction on Kedi Godumbada guaranteed. Right about now, Akoko Nkizi, I do Bata Webolo, Akoko Bastalo helicopter crash involve, how about we the former head of Access Bank. Napano, after investigation with joint investigation between the authorities of Nigeria and the US at the end, the US National Transportation Safety Board, that there, he had a gather when it comes to the investigation about the helicopter EC-130B4, Yotago helicopter. How about we will on at the end of the day? So for when I one of the things is where caused all the problem, the helicopter were harsh weather, the situation whereby the helicopter not operate at the time, because of harsh weather, or catch on air before the entire thing were ensued. Now, they said the report from law enforcement and eyewitnesses also indicated that several individuals traveling along Interstate 1 to 15 observed a fireball in the area, prompting call to emergency services over there because of the kind of harsh weather.
Well, also when I'm going to make the investigation, okay, because the onwell a painful one. But now this also and the involved.
Yeah.
So imagine here the family naga through. And all got it on ML investigation. Money him at least it will take closure to the family. Has what I hear men
which is exactly what they have explained.
Yes.
Okay,
where prevent such a thing even again because I got as rock like that. Come on here men exactly so that next time come your bona dear and also Hannah corner weather would maintain so we may and I think I remember no one only so now one so however that's
yeah, so I think the former FRC commander Nanambra, not just Nigeria as a whole, former senator from Obusi, as he's the one saying that now also Obalia were one of his troops at the time. So it is a sad thing, but some days some events Square not you know. So I will ask the family to take heart at the end of the day. All people with their own go for. Man, all the go kosa the ebata this morning. Why you feel on ihe na kosa on food right about now? Yes, akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji webata n'ụtụtụ a wee bụrụ akụkọ ife melụ ebe ndị kọstọm nọ wee na-eke rice ka ha si wee kwuo na ha ga-esi wee mee ya bụ ife at the end of the day. And one of the things melon wee bụrụ na enwe stampede there, because I told you na otu esi make this announcement kịta even ndị mmadụ na-agafe na immigration office baga na-anya ka ama nọ ndị customs nọ n'ime ebe ahụ. And ihe menụ wee bụrụ na enwere onye APC, because APC na among their member and 6 others who died in the stampede while buying rice at 10,000 naira per bag in Lagos. Igelote na ndị custom kwu na ha ga-eke, and ihe ha mee bụ na ha ke anyo wete the price to minimum to the level of 10,000 ka ndị mmadụ wee nwee ike wee go yabo rice at the end of the day. So the customs had on Friday commenced the sales of 6 food items, including bags of rice, to Nigerians to cushion the effect of the economic hardship in the country. The coordinator of FKL Ward E1, Lagos State of the APC, Oluwafemi Fadahusin, and the Secretary, Comrade Adebari Adewale, in an obituary message released on Saturday, February 24, 2024, confirmed that Adebanjo was one of the 7 persons who died during the stampede. It is with heavy heart and regret we announce the painful death of one of our members in FKL Ward E1, Mrs. Adebanjo Comfort Unmilayo, of house number 104, Ibidu Street by Akiyame Street, Ujueleba. She was among the 7 victims who died in the course of buying customs rice at Yaba. What do you go say? One of my key we couldn't catch when I got on the
I just along I think in that last week rice season or can you okay can we lay and our price but at I don't come away help on the modern Gabiga. And the on but in this case now why not chop that in the process other just say eliable rice the model was ever where with the melody and the and new there or if they can be party and a corner now and think and Hannah Mon think how they were involved so I have okay where she go to yabo rice. It's so sad and overall I persuaded now no 2 buses ready now. Overall source and people now got a lot and I'm musical on name but I get take it heart on the customer one or the man and overall so I can really expect go see where gamma also see where gas I get take it heart and I chop on the guess whoever could be how I leave there again to the more order. Or the more organized, and the way that's all the year man. I'm a Mofanakona stampede on some people. For an aqua, a lot of things. One aqua mega slave or had to wear I hope now I'm not getting never because it's so painful.
The thing is, sometimes even in developed countries where measures I control those stampede and all of that. Sometimes I don't stampede. Even like if you see the Taylor Swift concert, sometimes if I don't stampede, so boom at the end of the day. I'm not saying that it's all good, but the thing is that a situation I think that went beyond their control at the time. It's not like they were not prepared for it, but now when something you have to go at the time or got out of control. So we pray for the family that lost this person, that the Lord, the good Lord will grant them, the fortitude to bear the loss. And at the same time, APC, because Nonya about somebody very important to their party on a very good day. So it is ironic now because some people will now be looking at it, okay, APC, and they are the ones now complaining, at the end of the day. So all the go say this is to show you that the issue and when the country is all of us, we are all involved. You have to go be exempted at the end of the day. So that's why we must all work together to make our country better. Akoko oti poju. Now, right about Ketafo, I went upon a message say Metal and Classic Wabo Agunabo Opa Agluzibo, and I'm celebrating with the celebrants. Happy birthday! I'm Bagam in their account and my account, and all Ebona de fans account. Amen. My greetings to you, Metal and Classic, and my prayers are God will. Okay, our God will bless you. Okay, you. Amen. Okay, now my brother. Dalo, thank you so much for joining us this morning. Bagam nini and Anya organize flow kita. You can know the now. Organize better kita na account to go be. You can have phone to give you beep to go be kita. And there will be testimony. Yotago. Akoko oti poju. Akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji wee bata n'ụtụtụ a yọtago wee na-apịa otu a ga-esi wee si n'ime wee na-amụtasị ife bụ ihe gbasara ife me na Abuja, and nke a bụ akụkọ gbasara ndị omila yọtago when we say omila ihe I mean yọtago ndị aka ntụtụ gago another level on a very good day. We are talking about Ndedanga, Ndewetia, Yotago, Hafa, Wetia, on that kind of cook on a very good day. On a young man who put along where now Bumbo, now Baliko, Jamali Foga, Mon, and Iso, where Yotago, a very good day. The only thing Bunoji, iPhone, Nabia, when I was a Koja Babo, so you were Jababo need Jabambo. Corner Roche, Koja Bayabo, so Malon one and Canon Alcone, cheer with Mma, no Ma, and then Mama Pana Wukam. Mama, ne kuno maluma or sepulufonia nalie. Thinking that no to Ako without knowing that Nigerian police are go another style. And Nigerian police is gonna have a PCO. You have to with the FCT minister you put Abuja, Kanon Abuja Kihano, where Sena Haga fully Lysia and Hamasi PC, the young man Melefa, Akanaba of you as I'm talking to you right about Ketapo. Yes, Napakayabe first where the armed robber stabbed the victim on his chest and shoulder with a knife and dispossessed him of his phones and other belongings. The police operatives on patrol, having received the information in concert with the locals, gave the suspect a hot chase and caught up with him. The exhibits were recovered from him and the victim was taken to the hospital to receive medical attention. While investigation is still ongoing, the Commissioner of Police, FCT, CP, Bennett Igwe, reiterated his unflinching commitment to ensure residents of FCT, enjoys a safe and enjoyable environment. So you know what happened the FCT kitabo just so anybody don't feel anything, just better go to police. Better fan apota or just a fan apotro, say for Gabiko no biano no one year or no. Say the Amalo on a very good day. And that's what transpired right here. And Kita age they go yabumoke. One no why can you kuna kakai when I got still.
Well, I listen and the police Hamelo of man. Hamelo of man no Hana and one of half my Haji seeking. Because that was a safe, the property I was safe, going high. And the only can feel that's near the smart Yamali, and then I'm gave me with
Agumolobin. Just like that.
No, I can't phone no yourself. And all you got as a phone,
Omala use the phone. Or they're not digitally inclined. Omala have your phone off my okay now.
Well, because I have food these days, in the model, I feel that now. Those on our bumbo, Amari, Amari fan, and all how I put this smart.
No, yeah, what's his there? Well,
so I forget that now. 99 days before 18th, when I one day go where or no. So it's the go now. Go tap on now. Opero time go see where check go see.
Yes, but why the kitchen? The only thing when I eat your wine and catch you, and no one win on a catch you, probably obtain and come Maria Calgama. Yatago once in a job and come mother, your apology can get an alcohol. And what do you go say? They ebata this morning, why you feel on a henina, go sell for the right about now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Yes, I call along again up with Funjafia. Behind Ebia here at Roma on a very good day. I have been there to international level. Na igano everywhere. Na melo the business inicio with the Yapago. And Mantezaka Kitafu, I Jaka Zuchalwaja, Yaka Batala Kafia no Totua. I not Yapaze, I na get when I carry Nina, who said I didn't know Totua. I went Patagua, you feel Nina. So stick around with Abona the 103.5 FM and we'll be right back with Birthday Splash.
My guy, why you squeeze face like this, man?
My brother, now money where I save for Banco, the value just they reduce every day.
You yourself still dey save money for bank? No, now. Na investment sure pass, my guy.
Not true you talk. Like this, I dey look for estate where I fit invest my money and make good return on investment. I know say plenty estate deal, but I never see wetin I dey find.
Oya, tell me wetin you dey find. Make I tell you where you go invest your money put.
I need estate wey get style and dey safe and secure. Estate wey dey better location, wey be say na buy and build for that part of town, wey correct people go be my neighbors.
You no get shaking at all because Nadistel Concept Limited get exactly wetin you dey look for.
Nadistel Concept Limited? I don hear that name o. Where their estates dey?
Nadistel Concept Limited get plenty correct estate for different places with different price depending on your location and your pocket.
Oya na, run me the updates.
Make I start with the newly launched estate. Number 1 na Vegas Garden Estate, Phase 2, Utulu, off Asaba Benin Expressway, just 2 minutes from Asaba Housing Estate and 3 minutes from Wichita Group of Companies, 10 minutes from Asaba International Airport, 20 minutes from Coca Flyover, and the estate no far at all from Asaba Benin Express Road, Utulu, Delta State. One plot of land inside this estate na only 1.3 million naira because of the special promo when they on now. Number 2 na Paris Garden Estate, Phase 3 for Ibuzo, Delta State. Just 12 minutes from Asaba International Airport, 8 minutes from Coca Flyover, and only 5 minutes from Nigerian Immigration Office. This one dey back of Admiralty University of Nigeria, back of Chinese Construction Company, and dey no far from the Asaba Warri Express Route. One plot of land for inside this estate na only 1.2 million naira. This na special promo price. You fit benefit for this promo, must enjoy free documentation if you call us today. Call 090 61 90 4164. That is 090 61 90 41 64 or 081 34 46 1398. That is 081 34 46 1398. Some of our other correct estates when they inside the Asaba Capital Territory. Now, Florida Garden Estate is 1. Ibuzo when be 1.8 million naira for one plot. Florida Garden Estate Phase 2. Ibuzo when be 1.3 million naira for one plot. But of Florida Garden Estate Phase 2 extension. Ibuzo. This one now 1.1 million naira for one plot. And Florida Garden Estate Phase 3 extension. Ibuzo. This one now 1,150,000 naira only for one plot. We still get Paris Garden Estate Phase 1 Ibuzo. This one now 2.3 million naira for one plot. And Vegas Garden Estate Utulu will be 1 million naira only. All these estates get C of O and they correct location when they secure with better perimeter fence and solid gate. Good road network day with street lights everywhere. Light and clean water day for you 247. The environment clean and recreational center day for your family relaxation. All our estates come with free documentation will be deed of assignment, registered survey plan, and government-approved decision. We get better installment payment plan when you fit dey pay small, and na instant allocation once you pay for any of our estates.
All these estates make sense. I dey go invest my money with Nadistel Concept Limited. Sharp.
No forget, say we go do your documentation free of charge. Or you visit our office for CCL Petrol Filling Station, Kilometer 3, Asaba Benin Expressway, Asaba, Delta State. Or put call now to 090 61 90 4164 or 081 34 46 1398. Olohu Norodo. Nadistel Concept Limited say everybody must be landlord.
Happy birthday, happy
And we are back. Nebona the 103.5 FM with Birthday Splash. You have to go. Akuko Oti Boju. Yes, I na try to connect here with George Chukwuka Okoye since morning. Oluchi Apali. And also know the law of his life. When you a lot of things, or say that today a hero was born. I joined the host of heavens who love and cared for you to celebrate. May your heart be filled with joy and happiness. May your days be bright and may your road be smooth and your burden be light. May you find favor before great men as to shine like star. As you mark +1 today, may you find peace that surpasses understanding. Or say more happy birthday and many more years to you, my dear. I love mother so much, not as George. You want a daily poem. I am not here to go with you. Man, classic. I call I one. I want to go still classic.
Okay, so after follow a lady na kawa according to her on a call boyfriend then na me sacred ya sponsor you know outside the country with hope that's for both of them. So after the boyfriend they go say obodo oyibo where olula never just on the maka enyo sponsor ya media everything and ochetos for good 3 years in short so after 3 years when I when so when I see no that now the pains bigger and the betrayal because when they made all these things that would be no in your work and all that and all that the both of them and always about abandon so bigger through a lot. And now Obia Korosia Yaga and as far as the consign, no, where was in Yamabaga, the Yaga was there. So the work when I say Yabaga and the Yame and the hour go Yabe, and why I see no Yamabala.
Yes, the thing is that almost some things are now a very good day. Funny hand, I'm on Mamma, you have to go hoping to a young ball letter. Not just come mayor, you have to go up higher so by a ball or a ball. Anyone would be only a soft mind or a ball. Anyway, but so why easy for Yabe or Yabala on a Yabal, you know, so even I wake up to squire ball for say I want Jabelon on one, the other ball. We ought to go close at this morning, but I fully care where set to the matter. Yeah, Joe Falco was a chelo Yakitaki when wake up at why you feel on Henina and Bamakiano Totua or Webulon a retired warrant officer. Now na chen no gratuity or bona corner na che gratuity akulutia or malon and we are working of na chenya maka with gratuity and the gratuity but as a yotago mba ka nwa nwoke no where on bill the plan somewhere for his father or we no well able develop o je weta ya bụ okpiri wee kụgide papịa kụgbuo papịa papịa bụrụ onye nwụrụ anwụ. And this, you know, allowance ọ na-enweta as a soldier, as a retired soldier of the Nigerian army, yọtago nọ onye abịrị mana ihe ga-emezi nwoke a move, this young man move, o je were okpiri kụba papịa kụgbuo papịa. Ka ihe a ga-akpụ ya greed ka a ga-akpụ ya nọ agụụ. Because most times I say ihe na-eme na country kịta, but if you look at this properly, all greed, because no onye nwa bụ onye ji okpiri kugbukwa papịa bụ next of kin papịa. So ọ makwana na akwa ịkwa na dị ego, na ọ bụ na papịa nwụkwa na dị ego bụzi nya onwe. So no ya mere o ji ihe na-eme n'ụwa today. Ndị polisi enwefegokwana ya kịta, ya dọbara ozu papịa one side, were onye nwa debe one side, welu picture papịa debe one side, ka e wele ya wee na-eloteli ya ife o mere. Na ozi kugbo na the picture of the man n'azụ gị, kere onye ọ bụ to you, yọtago ụmụ ife niile a ka a na-ajụsị ya ka ọ pịkọba ka amakwa na ọka bụzikwa mmadụ. Nwanne nwaanyị ka ị nwee ekwu na nke a ka iwe na-aga n'iru still.
Well, ihe dị na ịfụ ego n'anya karịsịa ihe ndị ọzọ, o wee fụzi ego n'anya to an extent na ọghọtazi na papịa bụ papịa, and n'ọkwa papịa lụrụ tara afụ niile maka ya bụ ego ọ na-achọ ka ya jee werezie ka ya galiwe. Chezọ na ya nwazi na mụ papịa arụgo ọrụ nke na retirement ya ka ọ na-enjoy. Na ya nwazi kwesịrị ịga lụ nke nwekwa ike wee enjoy ya nke mgbe oge elu ya, na ụdịrị otu esi afụzi ego n'anya n'oge kịta jizere maka ego na-eme ihe na-eme ọ dụrọ mma cha to an extent na ya ghọtazi bụ mkpa ọ dị bụ how important life mmadụ dị to an extent na ọghọtakwu na onye a bụ papa ya, and na ọ kwesịrị sef na at this stage na onye nwere take care of
the man. No, so the thing is, if we go na rinne dịkwa ready ịlụ ọrụ rinne otu esi wee fụ ya bụ ego n'anya rinne ka ala bụ if ya na rinne ọ bụjọ ọsọ ịnọ na-atụ ndị mmadụ aka na ego fa ka ya eje welu. That's the thing. So if ya n'anya rinne a dịkwa ready yọtago gbasie mbọ ike if me mix cement ugboro na-abụ in a day, just chap na move around ịrụọ nke taa just na-agbalị ọkwa ọlụ since na ịfụle ya n'anya rinne lụbani ya on a very good day, rapụrụ ndị mmadụ aka ka ha lie nke ha lụtara. That's the thing. Yotago on a very good day. Anyway, ịbata this morning ịgwa anyị filo na ya bụ akụkọ is unfolding right about kịta afọ anolugo mgbe ị ga-abata ka ịgwa anyị filo n'ihe niile a. Dote na ị ga-join nwaanyị na Facebook as we are live at ebe ọ na-adị 103.5 FM. Drop your comment on the comment section of the live video right there. Send their SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035. Ngwabetezi anyị na put taketa on 07034459334.